用英文的才能搜寻，还会念哦。你看这个 description 这边的字会念出来呢。
The earliest known written records of the history of China date from as early as 1250 BC, from the Shang dynasty, during the reign of King Wuding, referred to in the records as the 21st king of Shang. Ancient historical texts such as the Book of Documents, the Bamboo Annals and the records of the Grand Historian mention and describe a Xia dynasty before the Shang, but no writing is known from the period, and Shang writings do not indicate the existence of the Xia. The Shang ruled in the Yellow River Valley, which is commonly held to be the cradle of Chinese civilization. However, Neolithic civilizations originated at various cultural centers along both the Yellow River and Yangtze River. These Yellow River and Yangtze civilizations arose millennia before the Shang. With thousands of years of continuous history, China is among the world's oldest civilizations and is regarded as one of the cradles of civilization.